Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am in my new place and I want to just do a quick tour of the salon before. I want you to see it before it's all set up. So I'm going to flip this around and show you guys. All right, here is my new nail salon. I'm doing it from the doorway right now, but I will go in and show you. There is a little stain right there because this was a hair salon. So I'm just gonna put a rug over that. But look at the greenery that goes around. Isn't that cool? The leaves and everything. I love it. And then I'll just walk in. And then you see, look at the sink. Oh my gosh, a sink for them to wash their hands. I'll have to stand for this. Look at the mirror. Love it. Look at all the greenery. I think that's my favorite part about the whole thing. And then I'll just go around the room. This is at least 2 times bigger than my salon at my old place. So, oh my gosh, I just love it. I cannot wait. Look at all the room I have on the wall to put all my polishes. I'm gonna definitely set it up differently, but I've got my sink right there, cupboard space to put towels and things for pedicures. That's what I'm going to use that for. I'm going to be probably putting over here the couch for the pedicure area, and that's just another shelf I have down here that I'll be filling up with probably the foot baths and everything. But isn't this place just amazing, you guys? I love it. And the best part, check this out. Look at these running lights. Look at all the lighting in here. It is so bright. You guys can just see that, how bright it is. And there's just light everywhere. I am so excited to get started on my first nail design and show you guys after it's all set up. So this is the before, and in a few days, hopefully, I will have it all set up and I will give you guys another tour. And this is the after of my new nail salon. Check this out, everybody. Look at how big it is. The last place I lived at, I did it in my dining room. This is an actual salon. The landlord and his wife lived here for many years prior to us moving in, and she was a licensed hair care lady. That's why the sink is over there, designed to put your neck in. She did hair. So I have turned it into a nail salon. Isn't this just awesome? Now you got to see the before, and remember the walls were white. So I'm gonna go around the room and show you. I've decided to do it a lavender color with the feather dusting, and I've done a video on that, how you do that. And I thought it would look great with that greenery that was already in here in the bottom half. I just love the look. Isn't that cool? When you go around, that purple really makes it pop. And because I've got that purple rug and a few other purple things in here, I thought it would just be great. So yeah, I started by feather painting. And then let's go in and show you how I got it set up. For starters, I've got this shelf here that I put in my foot baths for the pedicures. And then up here on the bottom half is just kind of colors that are more colors that I need to get to quicker, which is my black, my whites, my silver, my golds, and my neutral browns. I just thought they would be okay. I may put them up on a shelf somewhere, but they worked good there for me just to be able to grab quick. And then on top is my gel collection that I've collected so far from the Dollar Tree. I've told you guys how much I love these polishes. They are amazing, and you'll notice as I go around the room, all of my polishes are color coordinated, so they're pretty easy to look through and find the color you want, and I will continue to collect these. And then, of course, my Instant Ombre by Sally Hansen. I just thought they would be great. They're my glitters, and I have a couple gel glitters back there. So, starts with that. Then we go in, and here is where I will sit to do my nails. I also do nails on friends and family, so that's why the 2 chairs are there. And, of course, my little table there with everything on it. And then we start with this shelf here, also my Sally Hansen gels. I like to keep all the gels together, also color coordinated as they go down. So I really love that. Then I've got my board here where I can write down, just different things, reminders and stuff like that. So the dry erase board. And then down here, I've got my Shany collection and my Funky Fingers. Again, they are color coordinated so that you can get to them quick. I had that wheel of color. I thought it would be cute down there. And then here's the little table where I do my nails, and there's everything I need. You've got, you know, the brushes for the acrylic, your powder, your monomer, your water, your acetone, your cups, your little powder brush there to brush off the dust. You know, you got my files and buffers there, all the little heads to put on the end. If I do, you know, a friend or family, I always give them their own little drill head there. And so everything is set up nice here. Those there, this little sticker's falling off of here, but this is where you put polish in. My aunt made these for me so they can lean. The polishes can lean for me instead of me trying to lean them. And that's everything I would need there. Then the second shelf down is all the acrylic paints that I work with. And of course on this side you'll see there is my drill and my acetone and hand sanitizer. I like to stay clean. There is my alcohol. I spray all of my tools and keep everything clean. Even though I'm doing friends and family, I'm just very clean. I want to be careful. Down below is my cotton swabs, my gloves, my sponges, and some tape. Just different things that I'll need. And then it goes to the table where I do it at in the 2 chairs. There's my tripod there. And then my shelf over here is where I've got my paper towel, and then up inside of here it's got, of course, my top coats and then some oils and my primer. Inside of here are glitters after they've been opened. I put them in there, and then these are just little things for nails, like little rhinestones, little trinkets and stuff like that for nails, and then my glue. And then up here is all of my LA colors that I've collected from the dollar store too, also color coordinated again to keep it so it's easy for people. Then, you know, when they're ready for a color in their mind, if they want a green, well, there's the greens, there's the blues. I always like to keep everything color coordinated. So there's that area. I got a couple extra lights, but the lighting in here is phenomenal. And then down there is just my all my crystals. I put them there so they're easy to get to. My little trash can there. That little box is ceramic tiles, so I can put my acrylic paints on there. I saw Robin Moses does that, and they're really easy to clean off, so I'm happy about that. And then this shelf here is just little things that I need, a little bit of extra the acrylic powder there, and then just a few things on top. I will also put like a book there for like appointments and stuff. And then down below you got the nail tips. Next shelf down is some glitters and some Sharpie markers, because I do some art with that. A couple little, what are they, little index cards if I need to write things down. And then as it goes down, it's just more glitters and stuff like that. And then my acetone on the bottom there. And then this shelf here was the only shelf that hasn't gotten hung yet. There's the glass pieces that go on it. If you guys remember that in my old place, if you haven't seen it, it's got 3 shelves on it, and I use that for my liner paints, for my, my jellies, and then kind of like my stuff that I would do, like the nail forms, different things like that is what I put on. It's a 3 shelf there. It's got a mirror on both sides. It spins around the top there. When you put it up, there's the part there, it'll spin around. So that's really cool, and I like using that for that. And then in the drawers here, I've just got some random little things like, I like to use these to help take off nails when you're, you know, pulling off nails from the back. It really works good to do these if you, so you know, you're not ripping your nails off. I do like to soak them up, but if they're loose, they come off easy with that. So I use that, and then I've got more of those tips there, and I got more files in here, just different stuff like that. And then in this drawer is a bunch of things that I need as far as like striping tape and my stamping plate and just all kinds of stuff in here, glitters, different things that I need, the little tray here to put stones and stuff in, and it's just all kinds of fun things that I need in there. I pretty much have anything and everything you can think of to do nails with. So that's what that will look like. I mean, when it's done, all the shelves will be on it, and there's the box there of all the little things in there that, like I said, it's just the different things, you know, that are like jellies and stuff like that I use. But I like it on that shelf. So, and then like I said, it spins around. And then I've got this shelf here with just some little things like painted nails. I like doing them sometimes on little girls, or sometimes somebody will come over and they'll just want a quick design that I already have extra nails that are already pre-painted, even though I do them. Got my cords in here, an extra running strip here. And then in the drawer down below, and see, this shelf is purple. Down below, we got more. We got the glitters and stuff like that. And then down here is my swatches when I do the photos with my beads. So I just keep that down there. And like I said, that box will be moved. And then you look up here in this wall here. My uncle sketched this for me. It's the Angels Heavenly Nails. He sketched that by hand. My uncle is an artist. And so he made that for me for my channel. I thought that was awesome. It's a big, beautiful, heavy mirror. So you guys may have seen that if you've seen that video, my video I made one time of the room or whatever. If not, that is that. And then I've got the hope, love, and faith, and a couple little picture frames just to match with the wall. Isn't that cool? I mean, look at that wall alone. And then this high heel chair. I have had that for so long, but it was always up in my changing room at home. because it could never go in my salon because it was just a little tiny dining room that I did it out of. And so I couldn't put it down there, and I couldn't wait till I got here and put it down here, and I still have so much room. And I am a huge lover of shoes and high heels, so I absolutely love this chair. My mom got it, and she had it for a while, and she asked if I wanted it, and boy, I jumped on that. So it looks adorable in here. I love it. And then as we move over here, you've got just a little shelf that can go up on the wall or sit on the ground. Those are just my higher polishes that I just, they got the two ends to them. I just thought I'd put that there. And then my collection, I think it's hard candy collection I got for Christmas one year of these little polishes. I just thought that would look cute on there. Then I've got my little refrigerator here for people. I'm going to put, for myself and others, when my friends and family come over, I'm going to put some waters and pop in there. So I got a nice little refrigerator to put that in. Up above there in the corner for now, I've got this shelf here with all these little trinkets. Everything and anything you can think of for nails are in here. You've got studs, you've got little smiley faces, little, Fimos, I think they're called. Just everything you can think of are in here. You got tattoo stuff in there for nails, and then eyeballs and everything. And then up in here is like glitters and micro beads and all that. So that's what I use for that. But eventually I'm going to move this and put a TV up in the corner, a small TV, so when people come over or myself, I can watch TV down here or, listen to music, whatever. And then you see you've got the mirror here. Sorry, I'm in my PJs. But you got the mirror here, and this is where this lifts up. I've showed you guys before, and that's where the sink is. Now, this was set up to do hair, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing and pull it up like this. It can work either way to fill up my foot baths, and then also I'll hook it up here and people can wash their hands, or myself, because after you do a set of nails, you always want to wash your hands first. And then, so that's great to have that sink. And then this set up here, you've got, extra space here. I can put things in. Right now I haven't really put much in them, but then that just closes down at the end of the night, so that's cool. And like I said, I'll get out of the mirror here, but here is the mirror. And my nephew put up that crying baby. I thought that was cute. He put that up on the side. I thought that was really cute and fun. And what's better than a crying baby, right? They're just cute, even though after a while they're not so cute. But I just thought that was adorable that he put that up there. So that's that area, and it looks so cool when you can see through the mirror. It makes it look even bigger in here. Then I got my little scented candle there to make it smell good. And then down in here is all the foot bath stuff, and then I use that chair there for people to put their feet up when I'm rubbing them, and my family and stuff, when I rub their feet and stuff right after the pet itself, and then I rub their feet. So that's what that's for. And then the little chairs to put their toes up when I paint them, and that's also purple. All the stuff down there. Then this area is where they'll sit. I switch from that couch to this big comfy chair. That's where they will sit to get the pedicures, or I will sit to do my pedicure. And then up in there is all the Puma bars for everybody. I like to give everybody their own separate bag to keep it clean. And then my wall of polish, and that's where I'll be sitting in front of again. But look at that wall. I mean, I've got polish going all around the room, but this is my famous wall of polish, and that's all color coordinated, if you see. So I did that. And then as we move around, I just put a photo up here. That wall there already was done in that color, the full wall. So then I came around and I feather painted here again. And then I just put up that photo. I thought that would be pretty. And then I've got a shelf here where all the towels and things that I will do for pedicures will go in there. Thought that was perfect because it matched with this one over here. So I have that one there. So, but that is that. It is amazing. I am loving this. I couldn't wait till I set this up. I am just thrilled and excited. Like I said, it took time for me to get, all of this done and set up. But I mean, look at this, guys. Isn't this just phenomenal? I mean, you've seen the whole house now, and then you see this amazing salon. And once I get that shelf up in the corner over there, everything will be done, and I will be, getting my first nail design up and loaded on Monday for you guys, and then I'll be going from there doing all of my videos. So, but I am having a ball, and I'm excited, and I love the way everything's turned out. I love it here with my brother, and I'm just super excited. I am super excited to get back to my channel, getting back to my live keto questions and answers, and all of my nail, toes, and outfits of the day, which is going to be the next one's going to be my first fall look for you guys. So I'm just super excited. But isn't this just awesome, you guys? Come on. All you ladies out there that like to do nails, isn't this just, and men, isn't this just a awesome and beautiful salon? And the fact that it was a salon, it was a hair salon, and now I have turned it into a nail salon. And when I finally do move out, into my own place again with my husband, my brother's going to turn this into a tattoo parlor because he does tattoos. So it can be used for many things. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next. Thank you for being so patient with me, and I can't wait to get back to doing everything. Love you guys. Have a great night. God bless. And I'll see each and every one of you in my next video. Take care, everyone.
These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains. But it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows. And that's why I need to be where I can feel free. I'll put a little control. The ins and outs, the ups and downs, sometimes too slow. When I need space, a small escape, a place to roam.